So Paul, tell us a bit about Polybush.
Yeah, Polybush is a manufacturing company in Wrexham. Suspension components, Land Rovers, right through to production cars, always looking for new models. And we did a fit for them on the Mark III when the Mark III was fairly new, and been over the moon with it. And I have to say, it's given me the edge this year, really. We've managed to win 9 races out of 12, and I don't think we could have done it without the benefit of the security on the suspension. It's been really good.
What difference does good suspension make?
You want all your movement to be controlled by the tyre and the shock absorber, so anything you can eliminate beyond that. So whereas rubber bushes aren't too bad for some road circumstances, they can be a bit like a ferry and a bit wallowy. So if you can get rid of that movement that you don't want and have the security of the shocker control and the tyre control, it's very, very beneficial.
Do you feel it's given you an edge this year?
It's given me an edge at the moment. The problem is, you know what it's like when it works. Everybody will be having polybushes, and that they will have the benefits, and then we'll all be on status quo. Not quite like Formula One, but it will be in the same way. But for the moment, we've had an advantage.
Oh, the secret's out now, Paul.
The secret's out, yeah, I'm afraid. Works just as well on the Mark 1. I say very, very, very pleased with it, really. Very pleased.
So, Jonathan, 2010 was another fantastic season for Ma5da Racing, and 2011 season is almost upon us again. What are the plans for the Mark IIIs this year?
Well, incredibly. I mean, 15 events this year, which is an awful lot. It's incredible. The success is, it just goes from strength to strength. What you'll see in 2011 is exactly what you saw in 2010, but better. How do you make it better? Well, you listen to the drivers, to be honest. I mean, we're a driver-led championship. The key for 2011 is there may be an introduction to some live TV out there. The grids, we're looking at 90 capacity per event to make sure there's plenty of grid space. It's just the whole thing is snowballing forward, and it's fantastic to be a part of, pleasure to be a driver of, and hard work as a coordinator.
How many events are we expecting, and what's the calendar like?
Yeah, again on cost, we've put the Mark 1s and the Mark 3s together. There are 9 events next year. All the major circuits, as you saw this year, a couple of surprises in there as well to keep the balance. We're going to Knock Hill this year in 2011, so a long journey, but reduced entry fees to help with the cost. You'll see the Mark 3s and the Mark 1s in the same weekend, so if you're not into Mazdas, then don't come to a Ma5da race weekend. There'll be 10 or 11 races per weekend. It's going to be busy.